Kurt, and we've got the renovation, as we said, the house from hell, and we're up on top today doing demolition. It's getting, well, sort of fallish, a little cool, but not really pretty warm for this time of the year in this parts of Canada. And we're a little bit of celebration, muted celebration. Took us 3 months finally to get the permit all cleared. And Kurt, what do you think took so long? Why?
Just a complicated project. We're tearing down half a house, extending, making it bigger, and then redoing all the foundation.
All right. So we have our budget on material and everything else. And you've seen in our other videos, we started making the kitchen and the doors, and we're getting ready for that. And if you can see here, like in behind us, it's pretty insane. Like, this is downtown, and we're in the park setting, and we're in such love with this area. It's unbelievable. And you can see over here why we're taking this section down. We're able to go into that house. That's going to add about an extra almost 7 feet there to the width, which is incredible for that amount of space that we're going to have. So the drag is you cannot get equipment back here. As we stated, the little backhoe, even if we took this down with a little backhoe, we're boarded literally. We're on a postage size lot. I can't I can't get a rope and just friggin' haul this thing down, because I bet any money would start going into next door. So here we are, taking square by square. And once we get this down, I'm hoping in the next 4 weeks to get the concrete poured. And once we get that done, then we're kind of like home free. We do have one headache, though, with the city. They want us, like, you have to stop. Have you ever seen it? The cutoff that goes for your pipe, all right? That's every homeowner, that's the way they do it. And there's a main line that goes right through the middle of the street that carries it to that pipe. All right. Now, in the permit, they want us to go to this pipe, to the main pipe, which is kind of crazy. Like, it's their responsibility there. So I'm hoping we're not going to have a little fight there with that, or they just did a misprint, because that would be crazy. That would mean we'd have to cut into the road, and then we're responsible for repairing the paved road after. And imagine if on the street, if 5 homeowners did that. I mean, it would be, some would do it good, some would do it bad. It just isn't done that way. That's why it's always done on the sidewalk, or, you know, within, like, usually the property line of the house, not 4 feet beyond the property, where, you know, that's why they come up there. That's why you pay your sewer and water taxes, so that you're up close and you don't have a problem. So that's one of our last headaches that I got to deal with. They didn't accept the my other pour, and I got to get an engineer or dig 4 feet. I'll explain that one later. Anyways, please subscribe, watch our video. I'm not showing any of this being cut today. I might film him a bit doing it, but it's slugging work. It's hard work. Thank you.